Experience the Air Royale difference. Like perfection, it's on the house. Expect 24-hour concierge service. Pay as you go with on-demand jet charter. Worldwide, Air Royale has been making your charter dreams come true since 1994. See the world. Charter a jet to Venice, Italy. Take in the artistry, grandeur, and history. Visit Paris, France. Ah, fashion, opulence, romance. Or perhaps you'd prefer to charter a jet to the British Virgin Islands, where yachting, warm azure blue water, and remote island beaches await you. Or maybe it's Hawaii, breathtaking sunsets, miles of world-class beaches, and tropical breezes beckon. Air Royale promises a private jetaway experience second to none. Enjoy gourmet dining, spa services, and other in-flight amenities arranged by Air Royale. So what are you waiting for? Experience the Air Royale difference.